So welcome to the theme of this video is the elegance of Ayala Avenue along with Ayala Triangle Garden, which you're going to check out. So right behind me is the avenue and you can see the divide right in the middle. I mean, that is nice for this time of year. Christmas at its best. This is right inside the, like, say, auditorium, and look at this tree inside this building next to it. You got this, the avenue, and then over here, look at that. Beautiful tree. Now let's go check the garden. So check the vibe out right here, just before you come to this fountain. Got a little bit of Christmas music going on. Look at the beautiful lights in the trees. And you're surrounded by these beautiful buildings. You walk down here and you see this other nice garden. coffee shops out that you can enjoy here in the garden. This is actually right next to the beautiful garden that's I just walked over here. See those beautiful lights on the tree. Everybody out here kind of enjoying coffee. It's like 3 or 4 coffee huts out here. It's called H. Proffer Coffee Roasters. There's another one down here. Such a nice vibe down here. It's unbelievable. Just on a regular Thursday night. Here you go, Filipino food restaurant. Greyhound Cafe, love to twist, Thailand to Philippines. Hello, how are you? I mean, look at this. They even have a nice little exercise group going on. Nice and cool in the evening. This garden is just really something. Get a little bit of hit action in there. See if I can get a little bit closer here. Kind of get some mobility work in. Wow. Then you got the nice the sidewalk back here. And you know what's neat about this is this area right here. You can see the background. They even have a Starbucks right on the base of this. Go in there and enjoy your coffee. Looks like there's another place down there also. These are the shops here at the garden. Go back up to the sidewalk. Hey, kitty cat. Got a little event going on here with the flags. A little bit dark. So this has really been an enjoyable evening. Not far from my hotel. Less than 10-minute walk to enjoy this peaceful, good vibe evening here in Makati, Philippines. You gotta love the Christmas music in the background. This is the end of this video of my little walk here in Ayala Avenue, and it's kind of like the elegance of it, just kind of really nice with the Christmas spirit, all the lights, and then a walk through Ayala Triangle Garden, which is really special. You know, this kind content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help on my channel. And this is a lasting shot of the avenue with all these beautiful decorations right in the center divide. So I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya. Makati, Philippines. Later.